you're a fit guy. Tell us a little bit about what you do to maintain that health.
This is great. I love talking about the personal side of work and life because it gives you a real good sense of what's the meaning you bring to your daily life. And for me, it's I have a locked-in schedule. So it's my wife, but mainly I'll say my children and my animals that kick off my routine every morning and shut me down every evening. So we have 5 dogs. We have almost 40 different fowl. We have ducks and chickens, and they require food immediately. We're talking 6 a.m. So you got to be up. And your children require love when they wake up, so you got to be there with them and love them. So that kicks off my routine for starting my daily purpose in what I do. And of course, I get some breathing sessions in, and I pray, and I get into the day. And then at the night, it closes me down. You shut the birds in, keep them safe, dogs and children to bed, and then you might have a little bit of life to watch some entertainment or relax. And then your routine starts the next day. But that top and end part of my day really powers the middle of it, and my work and other things in life. So that kicks things off on a daily basis for me.